everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your drivers manually in your PC. First go to your search button here and search device manager and press it OK. And here you will have the list of drivers. Go to any drivers you want to update. And let's see, I'm going to the disk driver, and here select this one and right click and update driver, and here choose search automatically for drivers. Search for update driver on window, update. If your drivers needs to update, it will appear here, but my drivers is updated, so there is no drivers list to update. Close this one and try any other drivers. Let's say display driver, update driver. It's the same process, you repeat. See, again the display driver is up to date, so there is no driver left to the update. This is how you update your driver manually on PC.